Welcome back in our e-learning classes which is arranged by Bardwan Model School, and I am also here, your Manushi ma'am, taking your mathematics KG mathematics class. Okay, so today we will discuss about table of 1 and 2. We just revise table of 1 and 2. I'm sure that you have also read it at your home, but today we are learn again table of 1 and 2. So let's start. Look at here. You know this, it is a multiplication table, and it is the X symbol. X symbol is it is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. So how can you read? At first you read. So how can you read this? Look, 1, suppose table of 1. So you read like this. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. Next, table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 10. Okay. So at first you read like this. Then you have to memorize this, what you have learned, and after that you will try to write. So let's start writing. Look, suppose I am writing here table of 1. So let table of 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 ones are 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. So 1 twos are 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. 1 threes are 3. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 1 fours are 4. 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. So 1 fives are 5. So suppose I am writing here table of 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So 2 fours are 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So 2 fives are 10. Here, look, first thing is which number, which table you have write. Suppose here I am writing 1. So this 1 number I am keeping in my left side. It is very important. Which number you have written the table, that number you should keep at your left side always. Here I have written 1, so I am keeping here left side only 1 1 1 1 like this. And next table of I have written 2, that time I am writing here 2. Look here, 2 table of 2, then I am writing here 2 2 2 like this. Again, when you have to write table of 3, then you will write 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3 like this. Okay. So, when you will write those number you have written, the number table that you should keep always your left side. Suppose you have to write here 1, table of 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Not like this. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. we will not write like this. We will write like this. Those table we are rewrite that table, that number we always written in our left side like this. Table of 1. So I am writing 1, 1, 1 left side. Table of 2. Then 2 you will write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. That number is always first and in at your left side. Okay. Next 3, next 4, then so on. That it is the type of writing table. Okay. Don't write like this, like 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Not like this. That number you have written table, that number you should keep at your left side. It is the process of writing. Okay, so you should practice at your home. First you read this table, after that you will try to memorize, and next you will try to write. Okay, so practice at your home. Next day we will meet again. So stay safe and stay good. Tata.